You're listening to Dumb Down Tech, where we break down tech concepts and we go back to the basics.
Today we're going to talk about, is an IT guy really necessary? So let's start by asking the question, why is an IT guy or IT company important to you? The truth of the matter is, nobody has time to just focus on IT issues, computers breaking, phones not syncing email to your Outlook on your desktop. Let's face it, no company owner has time to deal with this issue. And not everybody understands how to fix computers, how to fix syncing issues, how to stop a virus. It's just something that the ordinary person just doesn't know how to do. So the reason why you hire an IT consultant is because they have the knowledge, education, and skills and know-how of the industry. They're able to really take your company and show you how to scale it, how to maintain your equipment so that tickets and productivity can stay high. A misconception is that I don't need an IT guy or IT consultant because I'm a small company and I cannot afford it. What I see happen when people say this is that their company ends up getting a virus, or worst case, getting ransomware. And once that happens, they're locked out of their systems. So instead of paying an IT consultant maybe a few $100 a month, now they're stuck with thousands of dollars in bills trying to recover data or trying to pay a ransom, which could even be in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. So really, it's important to have the right people, just like you need your accountant, just like you need your lawyer, you need a good IT consultant. So a lot of people say, well, I get it. I need somebody. I'm just too small. I'm just a small business. And you know what? Nothing is going to happen to me because everybody's trying to go after the big guys, big companies like Equifax. Now, me as an IT professional can tell you that that's absolutely false. If big companies like Equifax have millions and millions of dollars to spend on IT infrastructure and equipment and can still get hacked, how vulnerable is your small business? You're actually low-hanging fruit. And for an attacker, it's super easy to get information. Now, you may think I'm small, don't need to worry about it, but the truth is you do, because your company data is exposed and at risk, and so is your customer data. As soon as your customer data gets out in the wild and they know it was from your computer system, well, guess what? Now you're paying fines, you're going to court, and your company's reputation goes right down the toilet. So it's not something that you really want to get into. So that's why I say an IT guy or IT consultant is super, super important to help you mitigate your risk, understand the business from IT's point, and most of all, it helps with productivity. The better that your computer system runs, the more work your employees will get done. I always try to consult CEOs that it's not just spending money to fix something. You're spending money on maintenance to eliminate issues that, one, will cause downtime, which costs money. And then the long-term effect is that those lost hours need to be made up. So now you're losing even more money. So really, it's important to have that IT guy or IT consultant. Now, a lot of questions I get coming back from me is, well, do I get an IT guy, one guy for my company, or do I get an IT consultant company? And this answer is very, very simple. You get an IT consulting company, not just one IT guy. Nobody knows everything. There's a lot that needs to be done. There's a lot of skills. There's a lot of different applications, software, computer hardware. Not one guy can know everything. So when you hire an IT consultant, you're hiring a team of experts. My company, Corporate Design Solutions, we all have different skills. We have operations, management, IT infrastructure. We're able to build applications. So our company isn't just focused on one area of expertise or has one guy who can do it all. No, we all have to help each other and collaborate to produce the best knowledge base and experience and infrastructure for our clients. So it's better to get an IT consultant that has multiple people in their team to help you really mitigate those issues and maintain a good computer system. Now, that's not to say that an individual guy can help you get to the next step. But one of the considerations and why Corporate Design Solution does really good is that we are cheaper than hiring a guy full-time. You take one guy, maybe cost you $80,000 a year plus benefits. Our company comes in, costs $40,000. You have a full entire team, and we pay for most of the software that you need. We are able to remote in, fix issues right on the fly. We watch your systems 24/7, 365 days out of the year. We're very aggressive on a proactive basis. We don't react. We actually try to mitigate all the issues, which is the power of an IT consulting company. More so now, they're called IT managed services or MSPs because we offer all the good features for one monthly low price. Now, when it comes to spending money on security, it's absolutely crucial to have the right team in place and to know where to spend the money in security. Most small businesses can mitigate a lot of risk by implementing a few products that will stop the attack surface quite a bit. But unless you have a good team that understands which products to implement and how to set it up correctly, you'll always be exposed. I have a lot of CEOs that I talk with, and they say, I think our company, again, is too small to spend money on security. It's too small until they get hit with a $30,000 or bigger fine. And then they come back to me and say, you were right. But by then, it's too late. So I try to consult everybody. Please spend money on your security. At least spend the money on the basic features like antivirus, a good firewall. Spend money on email spam filtering. Don't use a Gmail for your company. Try to get to the next level and be professional. Customers will notice. When I see people not spend money on their IT infrastructure, your billing's not right, your emails take forever to get to them, and they notice. So really take the time to educate yourself on what technology is out there. And if you don't have time, it's okay. That's what managed service providers or IT consultants are there for. We come in and we help you do all the technology things from A to Z, and then you focus on your core business. So really, to understand this, and as if you're a CEO, yes, you need an IT consultant company. You need somebody who can help you roadmap and strategize how your company can grow with the new technology needs that are out there, and how can you improve productivity. We at Corporate Design Solutions, we do exactly that, and we can help you. Our number is 702-350-1000. But we love to hear from you. If you guys can visit our Facebook at facebook.com/corp, CRP, Design Solutions. Leave us a comment or a question. We're happy to always get back to you. But please invest in your IT security so that you can sleep with the peace of mind and knowing that your company continues to run.
We have enjoyed you listening today, and we'll be back again next week. Today's Dumbed Down Tech was sponsored by Corporate Design Solutions. To learn more, please visit their website at corpdesignsolutions.com or feel free to give them a call at 702-350-1000.